Welcome to V.I Tech Academy, where accessibility meets innovation.
Hello guys, welcome back to another video of V.I Tech Academy. This is your host Ratul. Guys, in this video, I will demonstrate how to use Chat GPT Windows application. Yes guys, OpenAI has launched Chat GPT for Windows, which you can easily download from Microsoft Store, and you can easily use this Chat GPT application directly on your desktop or laptop. So guys, basically Chat GPT we know that we can use from our Android phone, and also we can use from the web chatgpt.com. But now you can use Chat GPT at Windows. Almost all the features you can use along with some additional features. So we will see how to use it and how to download it. So after download and install, you need to log in using your existing username and password. If you do not have any account, you can directly create on that, because login will be like you can, when you are login, you are actually login through your browser. Okay, then it will come back to the Chat GPT application. Now after installing the Chat GPT application, let me open the Chat GPT application first.
Start with level 1 calculate Chat GPT app.
Okay,
Press
I'm
right to
pressing enter
switch
on
Chat GPT document main landmark section.
Okay, by the way, I'm using NVDA, but for your help, I'm just telling you that if possible use JAWS with ChatGPT, because some dialogues are not accessible sometimes with NVDA, but those dialogues can be accessible with JAWS. Okay, now I have opened the ChatGPT in my full screen. You can see the ChatGPT in the full screen, and the interface is almost same. Okay, but let's see what are the difference. See, I'm just going to top.
Ask anything. Ask anything. Ask anything.
Nothing is
Clickable
announcing, right?
but clickable land. Heading level 2 chat history. Chat history
I just
navigation.
press tab once, then I
Heading
can.
chat history navigation landmark. Clickable button CTRLK. Clickable button new chat. Clickable link graphic Chat GPT. Link Chat GPT. Link button explore GPTs. Heading level 3 today.
All these options you are getting like chat history.
List with 5 items. Link desktop screenshot and link app version inquiry.
Okay, so these are some chats we have done with the ChatGPT for Windows application. Now, I just use Ctrl+Shift+O, which is the shortcut to open the new chat.
Section multi-line.
And ask some question. Just I am sending hello.
Hello. Good
evening. I'm not doing any chat because
land.
you know how to use ChatGPT. I'm just pressing enter on it, and you can now see the difference.
ChatGPT is generating a response. ChatGPT says, hello, good evening, how's your day going? Smiling face with smiling eyes.
Okay, so sometimes this ChatGPT is generating response. This is not working. Sometimes when I tested this application earlier before making this video, I faced that, but it is not mandatory that you are also facing the same. So easily you can access. Now I'm just going down.
Out of section menu button collapsed sub menu.
This I'll describe later.
Dialogue. Blank.
Okay,
Blank. Clickable button start voice mode.
Start voice
clickable
mode.
Toggle button not pressed reason.
Reason
clickable
is there.
toggle button not pressed search.
Search is there.
Clickable button upload files and more.
Files and more. So
evening greetings document. Take screenshot one.
Here you will get some options. Take screenshots and all that I will discuss now. Okay, but before that we have one more important shortcuts which I have to tell you guys. As you know that V.I Tech Academy is now registered under ISO 9001-2015, and we are offering online certification courses. So right now we are offering two important courses. One is Fundamentals of Web Development with HTML, CSS and JavaScript. After learning this course, you can go for the accessibility testing field or deep in web development. Otherwise, if you wish to learn how to develop a full featured website without any coding, then you have to learn WordPress. And WordPress we are also offering for you. So guys, both courses are going on, and the next batch of WordPress is going to start soon. Obviously, the HTML CSS fundamentals course will also start soon, but WordPress will start very soon. So don't forget to register yourself, and to register yourself you can follow our WhatsApp channel or Telegram channel, because sometimes we post some offers, latest coupons, deals, etc. As well as you can visit our official website from the about page of the channel. Thank you so much Mr. Pratap Basu for making a donation to us. Your donation really helps us to improve our services. Thank you so much sir for your true support. If you are also interested to support us, donating us, check the pinned comment and the video description below. You will find the details for donating us. Also you can check out our website. There we will have a dedicated page for Donate Us program. Also you can join us as a member or give a thanks, which is at the below of this video. Now let's come back to our topic. Now this is a full screen Chat GPT which I have opened. Now for example, if you wish to open this Chat GPT in your side pane or sidebar quickly, then what to do? Let's suppose I am just closing this, and
Menu.
now I am in the
Click
desktop
menu
and somehow
Section multi out of section. Button. Evening greetings.
I just
Start window.
let's suppose I just
Ops.
need Chat GPT quickly. Okay, what to
Brave
do?
ops. Screen.
I just press Alt space from my keyboard and
Chat GPT.
Chat
Chat.
GPT open in the sidebar.
Chat history navigation
Okay,
landmark.
it's a
Click
sidebar.
clickable button CTRL.
It's a side pane window. Now I can ask whatever I want. I can ask and the same interface will be open. Now I'm just opening the
Calculator
ChatGPT
app.
again.
Chat Jeeps. Evening greeting.
And
Chat.
now the best part of this ChatGPT Windows application is you can directly upload screenshot and ask or solve the problem. Let's suppose now I'm in a desktop.
Desktop list. Screen.
Okay, let's suppose I'm opening YouTube.
Search tab. New tab. Google.
No,
Search.
not Google Chrome, YouTube.
New tab. Brave.
And let's suppose I am
Yacht
opening
blank.
our
Vitech
website.
blank. Oh, blank. Vitech Academy.
Okay, so this is our
42 web
website
audio
which I have
selected.
currently
HT.
Now I want to take the screenshot of
Skip.
the home
Banner
page
head visited.
of this page. Okay, so simply I'll go back to the ChatGPT, or I can press Alt space to open the ChatGPT,
Chat GPT.
and below the edit box you will find.
Out of section menu button collapsed sub menu.
Okay, press enter.
Chat GPT.
See.
Take screenshot 1 of
screenshot.
3. Take photo
Take
2 of 3.
photo. So if your laptop supports webcam, or if your laptop has the front camera, you can take the photo also.
Upload from computer
And
3
you
of
can
3.
upload from computer also, which is same like upload files in our ChatGPT web. Okay.
Take screenshot 1
So
of
I'll
3.
show you how to use this take screenshot. Just press enter here,
Welcome to snipping tool overlay
and
pane.
it will take you to the snipping tool. Just press tab.
Take a snip of welcome to the official
Okay,
website.
press enter on it.
Welcome to the official
And this
website. Chat
screenshot
GPT.
is already uploaded to the ChatGPT. Now
Menu button focus.
in this edit box, you just ask what you want. Just I'm asking.
Chat menu
describe-
next separate.
Sorry.
Out of main landmark. Sec ask A.
Describe
This-
this
it-
image
in
in details.
Details.
Okay, I'm sending it. And now see, ChatGPT is not generating the response, but not it is announcing. I can see it's generating the response, but it is not announcing. So sometimes this announcement problem occurs. Okay, now I'm going to using heading level
Chat
6.
GPT said.
By
Heading.
the way, all browsing navigation keys are accessible. I mean, accepted
The
here.
image is a screenshot of a web page with a dark themed design. Here are the details. Heading level 3 general overview. List with 3 items bullet. The web page appears to be the home page of a website named V.I Tech Academy. As a URL, vitechacademy.42 web bullet. The background image at the top features a foggy road with trees on both sides and atmospheric look. Bullet. The web page has a black navigation bar at the top with several menu out of list heading level. List with 2 items bullet. The menu includes links to list with 6 items bullet home bullet tutorial.
So all these summaries you can get. Now you can ask any questions about these screens. I'm not sure whether you are able to solve the captcha properly or not, but for captcha you can use Be My Eyes or Cloud Vision, we have made a video on these topics also. So if you wish, you can check out those videos. So this is the update for Chat GPT Windows version. These are few new features of, or additional features you can say, for Chat GPT Windows. I hope you got those features. If you enjoyed this content, like the video, share the video, and subscribe to this channel for more interesting technical tutorials with assistive technologies. You can join our Telegram and WhatsApp channel. Links are given in the video description below. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. See you in the next tutorial. Till then, bye bye.